Alright, so I'm going to make a sheet metal bending, a regular metal bending tool. I made all the pieces. Now I'm going to assemble it. Okay, so we have it put together, mounted down on the wooden table. If it's to put it on a metal table, all I have to do is C-clamp it down. Got the pins. Set them anywhere you want them to make whatever bends you want to make. And the reason I made this tool is because, let's see if I can get the camera adjusted here a little bit. It's because this piece that I'm making for the taillight cover requires a little twist to it in order for it to curve and fit that. So that's why I made this tool. And let's see, I'll show you how that works. So you set it in between the two, hold it up here, twist there. Bam, you got twisted edge. You can see that or not, I don't know. But it goes down in that area. That's exactly, I don't know if that was exactly, no, that's not the exact one I wanted. But I'll fix it and do it exactly how I want it. A couple other things I could do with it is you can take a piece of flat stock like this, or a flat sheet, and say I wanted to bend here. Make a bend there, and I wanted another one right here. Make a bend, bam. Say I needed that shape. There we go. And a piece of flat stock. Same thing. Some kind of bend like that. Or let's say I want to do a bend like this. there, and there. Get this out of the way. Bam. You got a bin like this. So yeah, that's why I built this thing. Mostly to do the taillight cover. But I'm sure I can find other shapes to bend on it. So it's real easy to make. You've seen the parts. All you gotta do is make it your size if you want to make one. And this tool will last forever. I'm gonna have it forever, as long as I'm alive. And yeah, homemade shop tool, can't beat that. Guys, hit like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.